to withdraw money from Z League. A lot of users make the common mistake that they try to withdraw cash from the Z League app, but this is not the correct way to withdraw cash. So today we are here with a step-by-step guide for taking cash out in the Z League app. First, head over to the Z League official website and log into your Z League account. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page of Z League site and look for the menu icon in the top right corner and give it a click. After that, you will see an option for transaction. Just click on that. When you hit the transaction tab, just scroll down a bit and you will find the option to withdraw funds option available there. Then, once you click on the withdraw funds, it will pop up with a suggestion to use your cash for tournaments and in the Jet store. Just go ahead and hit no thanks. Now it will prompt you for your legal name and date of birth, so make sure the name you enter matches exactly with what's on your legal documents. After you fill that out, you will need to upload your legal documents for verification. To verify your identity, start by selecting your country, then it will show you the document verification options available for the country. After submitting the document, they will review it and it usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks. Once you have gone through all these steps, you will be ready to cash out. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.